Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we do have a update for Google Chrome. So a new version actually has been released. So if you go to your Chrome browser, go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, and go down to Help and About Chrome. You will see that we are pushed to version 146.0.7680.71 on Linux, 71 or 72 on Windows and Mac. And this does not contain much front-facing features. Actually, the number of fixes and feature change is mostly developer-oriented. So developers will see a lot of changes and a lot of new features in here, but nothing really noteworthy for the general public. It contains a number of security fixes, I would guess, even though there's nothing mentioned. Usually new versions do contain a lot of security fixes, so I wouldn't be surprised that we have some security updates in here also. Last week we didn't have much news about anything security. I would guess there were because Edge adds security updates in its update. So there probably is some security updates here too, but they're not talking about them much. Chrome and Google have this kind of new way of trying to not talk about security flaws much when nobody really knows about them, so that the bad guys don't try to search for a way to exploit the browser. So if you want to update to the latest version, I would guess it is important because there must be some security flaws fixed in here. You just update now with a new Chrome 146 browser, which means that the Chromium-based browsers will also update, and including Microsoft Edge this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.